Good Wednesday evening, meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here with your latest weather update. Watching a chance for some severe storms Thursday night. We're going to continue to see the warming trend over the next several days. Temperatures feeling more like summer as we go into starting tomorrow and really through the upcoming weekend. Very warm temperatures. We'll see dry weather for Saturday, but then a chance for storms as we go into Sunday. So here's that 7-day forecast. We'll keep the day tomorrow dry, very warm. Highs should soar to near 80 degrees in the afternoon, a bit breezy as well. Storms will come in during the middle of the night Thursday night. And here's a look at that on the forecast radar. The risk will be there for some damaging wind gusts and some very heavy rainfall Thursday overnight into early Friday. This could come into Indy between about midnight and about 3 a.m. Thursday night into early Friday. So just be aware of this. It could pack a punch with strong winds, heavy rainfall, and again, especially around the Indy metro and points north and east, the highest risk at this time. And as we go into Friday, I think our main rain chances will be just north, like Carmel to areas around Westfield and points north, seeing a continued chance for a few showers. But here in Indy and points south, staying drier and warmer with highs in the 80s. Saturday looks dry everywhere here, as we'll see highs reaching the middle 80s, the warmest air of the season so far. And look at our low temperatures in the mid 60s. So we are talking about a true summer feel this weekend. And then Sunday, we do have the chance for rain and a few thunderstorms. That chance has increased a bit as we go into Sunday. So it looks like certainly the best day for outdoor plans is going to be Saturday. We'll dry things back out Monday with a beautiful day. But then later on Tuesday and Wednesday, our next system will come in with a chance for some scattered storms. That's all I have for your afternoon weather update. Thank you for watching.